Environmental issues. The biggest environmental issues or threats which we are facing is pollution these days. Pollution is nothing but any undesirable change to physical, chemical or biological state of soil, water and air is known as pollution. Pollutants are the agents which cause pollution. EPA, Environment Protection Act, came into force in 1986, and after this a lot many efforts have been put forth to stop pollution and to raise a concern about environmental issues. Now, air pollution and its control. What do you understand by air pollution? Any change to physical, chemical or biological property of air is known as air pollution. The main pollutant of air are exhaust from the automobiles, exhaust from the industries, and further noise is also a kind of air pollution. Now, to remove or to control air pollution, certain measures have been taken. We use electrostatic precipitator in case of industry. It is believed that it is efficient enough to take out 99% of particulate matter from thermal plant exhaust. Now, the basic mechanism is that wires with increased voltage is suspended in this whole assembly, which releases electrons. These electrons, they give negative charge to the dust particles, which are later being collected by the collector plates at the ground, which are grounded, and after this the exhaust or the leftover is passed through scrubber. Scrubber is nothing but a tunnel in which water and lime is sprayed, and it is useful in removal of sulfur dioxide. But particulate of the size 2.5 micrometer is not being precipitated by this electrostatic precipitator, and it is believed that this size or the particulate lesser than this size is most harmful to human beings. It leads to respiratory problems as well as in acute cases leads to premature deaths and leads to lung infections or lungs congestion. Next is, as we know, the main or the second major reason of air pollution is the exhaust from automobiles. As population is increasing, number of automobiles is also increasing. So these days automobiles are being manufactured with catalytic converter. This catalytic converter contains a catalyst of platinum or palladium or rhodium. Now what these catalysts do? They change unburned hydrocarbon into carbon dioxide and water, as well as the nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide or carbon monoxide is being converted into carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas. But with this catalytic converters, the vehicles which are fitted with this catalytic converters, one must always use unleaded petrol, otherwise the lead present in the petrol may deactivate these catalytic converters. Then, as I told, noise is another factor of air pollution. As we know that we associate noise is nothing but undesired high level of sound, but we consider noise or we associate noise with celebration party, but the increase the noise pollution by jet or by when a plane is taking off may cause permanent damage to eardrums, and the kind of noise exposure which we face in our day-to-day life in a city may lead to permanent hearing disability, as well as it lead to many other disorders, which is increased BP, increased heartbeat, insomnia, that is sleeplessness, dizziness, etc. So we should try to control noise pollution also, because that is also a major case of air pollution. This is all about air pollution and its control.